All right, so it's time for the second social media trend of 2021, purpose driven content. Let's go. So, we're all aware of how much of a struggle 2020 was. For some of us, it was more of a struggle than others, but overall, for our country and our society, it was tough. And that's putting it gently. From the worst pandemic that our country has seen in over a century to social unrest and a highly polarized election season, 2020 was exhausting. And that's why this year, more than ever, purpose driven content is so important for your social media strategy. So let's put 2 minutes on the clock and let's discuss how you can use purpose driven content to grow your business. Now, just because the calendar changed from 2020 to 2021 doesn't necessarily mean that everything that tested our patience last year will automatically disappear and go away. However, we do have the power to change the strategy and approach to our content calendar at any time. And this year, more than ever, we need to look at how we can integrate purpose driven content into our marketing to attract more customers and build loyalty with them. Now, although there are a lot of social media warriors using their keyboard courage to bring others down, the majority of our society is mentally and physically exhausted from the negative and charged environment on social media. Instead, people are looking to content that is committed to spurring positivity and making our world a better place. And when your business is posting purpose driven content to its social media networks, it's tapping into those exact needs and wants to create an emotional connection between your business and your audience. So, how do you go about creating purpose driven content for your business social media channels? Well, the very first thing that you need to do is you need to find a cause that you're passionate about and genuinely committed to. Authenticity on social media is extremely important, especially when it comes to a cause that your business supports. Social media audiences have become extremely savvy and can easily identify content that does not come across as genuine. If you're passionate about animals, you can choose to support animal rescue shelters and adoptions. You can support local food drives if you're passionate about making sure that the families within your community have food on their table. And if you're passionate about supporting the heroes who serve our nation and its communities, you should definitely consider looking into Homes for Heroes and all that we do to serve our nation's heroes. So, once you've identified a cause, find a way that your business can get involved. Then you need to really stay committed to it. You have to go on. This goes back to the importance of authenticity. Businesses that are committed to supporting a cause will do so on a regular basis. Finally, you want to capture as much content as you can and post it to your social media accounts. Now, you can take photos or you can vlog your participation, or you could choose to raise funds through your social media channels. You can even interview people that to help you communicate the impact that your business is creating. There are literally so many ideas for content that will let you show how your business is making a positive impact in your community by supporting a cause. Now, it's really important to remember, identify a cause you're genuinely committed into supporting, and then stay committed to actively supporting that cause. Then capture and publish as much content to your business's social media accounts as you possibly can. Now, I know that businesses using social change as a marketing tool and using purpose-driven content is not exactly a new trend. This has been going on for several decades. My point is that in 2021, more than ever, businesses who choose to implement and actually follow through on using purpose-driven content will win in the social media game. And if you're a Homes for Heroes specialist, well, you're already leaps and bounds ahead of your competition. And if you're not a part of Homes for Heroes, we can help you get there. So that's my second social media trend for 2021 to help you grow your business. So make sure you tune in next week for my third social media trend of 2021. If you hit the subscribe button, you'll get notified as soon as we upload and publish next week's episode. And make sure you hit the like button as well if you found this video helpful. If you didn't, I apologize. I'm sorry. But let us know in the comments and give us a suggestion for a topic that you would like us to cover. And I really want to thank you all for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing everyone next week.